office u Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District kalapantip bakal aibor ya ki Block Development Officer jong baroh ki block bat ki BDO ki magistrate ban ya ka order nagabta ki birth certificate bat death certificate sya kino ki badon kam hapo ka district ka jingtumuhi jong ka office u Deputy Commissioner kalong kum kawe nagathong ban pensuk ki paij ba bat bandon ka jingajan ha ka jingyo jingmentoy na ki kam sakri sarkar u Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District u Abhilash Baranwal ulaong bakadaw kabalapan kubor ya ki magistrate ne ki BDO haman lang ki block ban ya ka order kalong ban pensuk ya ki paijba bakim don kamshu banwan syadu syanongpo batang na ka block kila ban yo ka order lengba ki magistrate bakila apat ban lej ya ki PHC lane CHC ban yo ka birth certificate lane death certificate hadin bakila yo ya ka order.
So birth certificate, whenever people try to get birth certificate for their children, if the children are more than 1 year of age, they have to get an order from a magistrate certifying that the child has been born, and so that the necessary birth certificate can be issued by the nearest public health center, or let's say community health center. However, till now people had to come to Nongpo to get these orders from magistrates or ADMs. Now we have authorized our BDOs, who are also executive magistrates, to take hearing of such people who want to get their birth certificates and issue orders from their end. With that order, they can go to their respective PSC, CSCs and get these birth certificates. So we have taken this a step because we want to bring administration closer to people. We want to make administration as much accessible to them as possible, so that they do not have to come to Nongpo altogether. People will not have to come from Mohati, Umsning, faraway places, all the way to Nongpo to get these orders. They can go to their respective block offices and get this done. So from in Ribhoi, yes, I'm not aware whether it is happening in other parts of the Meghalaya or not. But as far as I know, in other districts, probably it is being done from the district only.